L'Oreal. I'm going to be using this cream eyeliner by L'Oreal. Blah, blah, blah. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. I'm really thrilled to be here with you guys. If you're tuning to watch me for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Leisha, and if you're returning to watch me, welcome back. So today I'm sharing with you a product that I picked up from Walmart. So y'all, I went to Walmart, and these brushes I should have filmed as soon as I got it, but I was really busy filming other videos. That's the reason why I did not film this brush set. So I already had my brows and my foundation done because I don't want to make the video too long. Found this beauty here. It looks like that. It is the Equate Makeup Brush Total Face Kit. Like when I saw these brushes, I was so surprised, and I was like, is this really Equate brush set? Because I do have, you know what, I'm just gonna go and bring the e.l.f. brush that I'm about to show you, which looks exactly like this one, and I'll be back. So I went up to get the brush that I was gonna show you. This is the e.l.f. brush. This is the e.l.f. powder brush. It looks like this. I really love this brush. Excuse the brush is dirty. So I really love this brush. I love the design of the brush. As you can see, it's really pretty. And this brush is really expensive, y'all. Like, I got this brush for almost $10 for just one of these. I paid almost $10, 9 something, I can't remember, but this cost almost $10 for just one of these. So when I saw this brush set, I was so surprised because I have never bought Equate makeup brushes before. I did not even think twice before getting this brush, and it only cost, I think, almost $10. I'm not sure of the cents, but I know that this brush cost 9 something, which is almost $10 for this brush. And this e.l.f. one is almost $10, as well as this one. So when I got it, I opened the brush, I felt the bristles, and just admired these brushes. They are so beautiful. So it's like that. It has a powder brush, which is this one, and this one is a this is a blush brush, angle brush. This is the contour brush. It looks like this. This is the eyeshadow brush, and this is the angle brush, and it also has a spoolie at the end. This is a really good deal. I was so surprised. Like, these are the handle of the brushes. These are so pretty, and the bristles of the brushes, trust me, they are really soft. And I really like that the color of the bristles is not white like the e.l.f. one. Like, so I love the color that they used for the Equate brushes, but I do not like that this one is white because it's gonna take a long time for you to wash. And I have washed this brush like the e.l.f. one several times. I spend much time washing this brush to get the brown, like to get the product out of the brush, and because of that I really do not reach for this brush like I would want to reach for it. So, but I still love the e.l.f. one because of how bougie the brush looks. It's really pretty. The Equate ones I just got, and that's what I'm going to be using for you in this video. I really love these brushes. They are so pretty. So I'm gonna use it now. I already have my foundation. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. Here we go. going to be using the BH Cosmetic brush here, which I had already used before to contour my nose. And this is a very good setting powder, but be sure that when you're using this setting powder, do not use too much, because it's gonna mess your look up. So I'm gonna be using the powder brush, which is this one. Looks like this. I'm gonna use that to just dust off everything on my face. With the eyeshadow brush here, I'm gonna start off with the shade Madagascar. Oh my gosh, the Egypt shade Broke. I'm gonna be really careful when picking this up. Morocco, which is an orange shade here. I will get another blending brush here, which is the BH Cosmetics. I'm going to blend everything together. So I'm going to be using this cream highlighter by L'Oreal, and I'm going to gently dab that in my eyes. Okay, I'm going to just do that because I'm using this because I want the colors to pop that I'm going to use on my lid. That's the reason why I'm using this, the liquid oh no, that's why I'm using the cream eyeshadow. Oh no, that's the reason why I'm using the cream eyeliner. What am I saying? I'm gonna go in with the blue shade. It's called Cleopatra. This one here, the blue one, is called Cleopatra. That's the shade. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be using. See how vibrant this shade is on my eyes, you guys. I'm gonna be going back with the same what am I saying? I'm gonna be going back with the same Equate eyeshadow brush, and I'll be using Jezebel to blend the edges like here. And gently go back. I'm going to start off from the powder brush, The powder brush did apply my powder product well. The only thing about this powder brush is that it's not as full as the e.l.f. one. As you can see, the bristles of the e.l.f. powder brush is really full, like coffee, but this one is not as full as this one. But it did apply my powder very well, and you can also use this brush for your contour, for your blush, and all of that good stuff. I really do like this brush. And moving on to the contour brush, y'all, I really like contour brush. I like the way it helps to blend out. I like that it's a precise brush. And the next brush is the angled blush brush, which looks like this. I really like the way this blush brush applied the blush on my skin, just like deposited the product on my skin. A very beautiful brush, and it's a bit dense. As you can see, the bristles are really soft, and it just did a very good job applying my blush. I cannot complain about this product. This one is the eyeshadow brush. It applied my eyeshadow very well. The bristles are soft. It helped blend my eyeshadow. I really do like this brush. And the angle brush, which is here, I did not use this angle brush. I already did my brows before I started this video, but this, and it has a spoolie. So for the price, I really do feel like these brushes are a good deal for almost $10. If you're interested in getting these brushes, they are all available at Walmart. Get to the Walmart that is close to you and you would find these brushes. Actually, the day that I picked up these brushes, it was only 2 left, like just 2 packs. I had to pick this one and off I went. So if you guys are interested, you could check in your Walmart, any Walmart that is close to you. I don't know if Target would have these brushes, but these brushes are really good. I love them, and I highly recommend these brushes to anyone out there who's starting out on makeup and you do not know what brushes to buy. These brushes are a very good deal, and they're so beautiful. It would help to like beautify your beauty space in your home. So this will bring me to the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any video from me. Like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.